finally I can actually identify the difference between one kind of car and another.
We do what we call a Ramsey Grand Avenue for a juvenile.
All these modern. We're going to stop this guy and talk to him right here about his graffiti.
With the suspect's description match the robbery that occurred on Sherburne, where the suspect had a firearm. The vehicle has been eastbound on the Ramsey. Suspect is going to be a black male, mid-teens, 5'10", thin build, had a COVID mask, a blue polka mask, black shirt, gray pants. Other subject is a black male. Information to your role aired at 15:26.
Back. 364.
1235. Colors keel. It's broken into or attempted to last 2 minutes. Suspect is a male in no race, dark clothing, westbound on foot towards Earl. Left a knife and a lighter in the car.
Film 6 for an old 284 Swing Medics. 369, I copy. 364, I copy.
Yeah, 1527.
And 5284, do you have a chief complaint?
Negative. Let's get a welfare check at this point.
Copy that.
24 reporting on you.
We're code 4, we have one in custody.
Copy. Code 4, 1 in custody. 1520.
Ah, boy. We got a 21-year-old grown man graffitiing on this business. The people who own this business are Hmong. They're immigrants. They've worked hard to build this business. And this guy's going to come along and graffiti. 2007. I'm out with a male that was graffitiing on business on Broadway at 888 Maryland Avenue. These people have worked hard to build this business, and this guy's going to come along and graffiti on their business.
It's about 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. 306. Affirmative. Call console 29. Console 29, copy.
Your incident has been updated. New message. New message.
So I'm running his driver's license, checking him for warrants. Of course, he has a ID only. He does not have a driver's license.
$39, 31, and $39, 28.
31.
That's 28.
2052 7th Avenue, permit 204 on an assist in relation to the previous domestic there earlier today. The female has back on scene in the parking lot in a gray Toyota RAV4. She's the caller. She's wanting officers to stand by while she gets some belongings.
You can tell he thinks it's funny, and it's not funny. These people work hard for these businesses, and then a guy who should be at work is out here graffitiing on the side of their business. So
4505 2nd Avenue on arrest. Something.
Well, the owner of the business didn't find it. Oh, you fell. Everybody fell. Hold on a second here. Sorry about that. Hold on just a sec here.
Right. Yeah, I was just talking with you. It sounded like we had somebody from the cashier.
Sorry about that.
Address. We're
Yeah.
going to put the cops alert out here in a little bit.
You all fell down. You jumped out of the back seat and... embarrassed of yourself.
Can I get my green bag? With
Nope,
stuff in it?
absolutely not.
But
Nope.
not the markers and stuff.
Nothing. You don't get anything.
Not even my phone and stuff?
Nope. If you'd have been a decent person, this is expired too.
Ooh, I can't get my phone and stuff.
Well, no,
my
because I
phone.
got to download your phone and see where you've taken pictures of your other tags.
Please.
And then you're too dumb to not have the metadata.
Oh, I can't get my phone back?
No.
I need my keys on my phone.
can
I'll
have
bargain
his
with
keys.
this. You can have.
No phone. Nope. I'm downloading it.
I need
See
that
if
for.
there's pictures of your other graffiti.
Okay, there it is.
Thanks.
All right.
Okay. Cool.
When will I get my phone back?
Just look at his bag.
A couple of years when the case is done.
Dude, I need my phone, bro. That's
This
how.
is the
That's
guy.
the last.
Input
I just need my
account,
phone.
Yeah.
You're not getting- it's part of evidence.
It's evidence.
It's going to be part of a
Sorry.
criminal
You're a
prosecution.
You're a big boy now.
Okay.
Act like a big boy.
This is what happens.
You're gonna cry or what?
I'm not gonna cry. It is what it motherfucking is.
Yeah.
I made
When
this
you're
stuff.
when you're caught, well, you know what's going into our property room as evidence because you carry your
Well, I need that.
need what?
I need my planner right
Yeah,
here.
no. Because what's in your plan?
Right?
Your notes of the graffiti you read.
That's not graffiti.
Okay.
That's art.
It all goes into evidence.
All right.
Okay.
I'm not gonna argue.
All goes into evidence.
You're trespassed from this building, so don't come around here.
Your ID says you live where?
That's
Downtown.
expired.
So where do you live?
Downtown.
What's downtown?
My
When a guy
address.
asks you, Mr. Savage, where do you live? What are you
Bro.
supposed to respond
You
with?
guys can find all.
Tiger's
All right,
going
let's-
to
let's
2440 Charles on a fire alarm covering water flow zone 1.
Jesus.